Special greetings, my dear students. Today we are going to learn 7th chapter. My dear, in 7th chapter, full and full program oriented. Okay, so you will not learn theoretical, full and full program oriented. Every day I will teach one small program, small concept. After completing all together, we can see. Okay, so before Christmas, I will try to complete 2 chapters. Okay, now see here, in 7th chapter, we are going to learn about Python. Before going to the Python, first of all, in your book, what they given? In a book, in your book, they given input, process, and output. First concept they given this. What are the input, what is the process, and what is the output? Okay. So in a book they given an example. First clay they taken. Okay, mud is that clay. Okay, with a mixture of water, clay they taken. Okay, that is the input. Now one child is making, okay, molding, and it is making some shaping art. Okay, some doll. Okay, small baby is making. After making, what she is getting, that is the output. Okay, so same way, whatever input we are giving to the computer, computer will take and computer will process and it will give us a output. Okay, this is a simple and basic concept behind the computer. Now in this process, if you want to communicate with a computer, okay, if you are human, we can able to talk so many languages. Okay, we can talk English, Hindi, French, any languages we can talk. But when it is come to a computer, okay, computer no only machine language. After that, we develop so many programming languages are there. Example: C, C++, okay, Java, JS, okay, Python, okay, PHP. So many programming languages are there. Now in this programming language, okay, recently 2-3 years, this Python is in a peak. Okay, when they introduced the C language, C is in a peak. When they introduced the C++, C++ was in a peak. After when Java came, Java was in a peak. But Python is there. Now it is very difficult to replace a Python with any other language. Okay, whatever programming languages they are introducing, that particular time, that particular language is in a peak. But Python is there. It is an older language only. Okay, they introduced earlier itself. But currently now this is in a peak. Why? Because each programming language has a some particular specification. Okay, some programming language we can, with help of that, we can able to create a software. It can able to work in only offline. Some programming language we can able to make a software. It can work in online also, offline also. Okay, so like this mobile oriented application. Okay, some software will work in only mobile. So like this, some specification is there. Each programming languages, okay, web page oriented, web oriented, okay, system oriented, both, okay, web and system both oriented. Like this, so many specifications are. But when we are coming to the Python, okay, what is the advantages of the Python? Okay, first thing, it is very simple, very easier to learn. Okay, second thing, with help of this Python, okay, is a normal thing I am saying. With help of Python, we can able to develop a software which runs in offline, which runs in online. Online means when internet connectivity will be there, that time only it will work. Example like a Google Drive, okay, email service. If internet is not there, you cannot able to use. Like such type of service, you can able to build by Python. Offline means a system oriented, online, mobile oriented, data science, robotics, okay, artificial intelligence, web oriented means it is a very high, means everywhere it is flexibility. Okay, this is the first thing. If you are knowing Python, you can able to use this Python in everywhere. Not only this, if you are running C++ or Java, if you are using only Windows, what the application you got, it will run in only Windows. If you are running in Ubuntu, what output you got, what system software you developed, it will run in only Ubuntu. But Python process, okay, with the particular file, you can run at any place. Okay, you can means you can work in Ubuntu also, Linux also, or Windows also, Mac also. That file it will run in everywhere, independent. Okay, this is the thing. And a few examples where we are using a Python. Okay, Google also we are using, YouTube, Dropbox, BitTorrent. Okay, torrent sites. Okay, so these are the applications we are depending on the Python. Okay, these are the applications we are depending on the Python. Now, my dear, when we are going to the Python, okay, there are so many things, but before going, simple thing. Today I will teach you variable, and next class onwards, with help of the system, I will teach you program wise. Okay, I will teach you with the help. I will teach you by the program wise. Okay. Now, before going to the Python, one simple concept variable. Okay, simple concept variable. Only that one I will teach you. Okay, tomorrow next class onwards we can go through this very deeply. Now, first of all, what is a variable? Okay, first of all, what is a variable? Now, kindly see here, a equal to 10. Okay, a equal to 10. Now, a is a variable name. A is a variable name and 10 is a variable value. Now, my dear students, in this place, okay, in this place, a variable, okay, it is like a storage place. It stores a value. It can be a numeric or it can be a alphabet. Okay, so this is the thing. Now, while creating a variable, there are some rules. Variable name, it should not have, means variable name, how much length you can give, that much length you can give. But thing is what, variable name should not have a space. Okay, v or equal to 10. This is wrong. Okay, v or equal to 10. This is correct. Why? Here space is there. A space should not be. The variable name should not have a space, and variable name can be a one letter, means a one digit or many digits. Okay, you can use a underscore. If you are using underscore, it is correct. Okay, and the variable name should not has a already inbuilt code is there. Okay, inbuilt code is there in a Python. Such type of words you should not use. Okay, okay, my dear students, I think today this is enough. Okay, so just to go through the Python. Next class we will go deeply. Okay, thank you. Thanks for watching. Thank you, my dear.